Pancakes are relatively simple to make and are great for serving your family's breakfast. However, they are sensitive to heat and many people overcook them when making them. Oftentimes, people cook them on too high of heat, which can mess up the whole consistency. History of pancakes. Many experts believe that pancakes were first eaten over 30,000 years ago during the Stone Age. Archaeological evidence even suggests that pancakes were quite possibly the earliest and most widespread cereal-based food eaten in prehistoric societies. In ancient Rome and Greece, pancakes were served for breakfast and consisted of wheat flour, olive oil, honey, and curdled milk. The first official mention of pancakes in Europe was during the 1500s. Today, pancakes vary by ingredients all across the world. What is the ideal pancake cooking temperature? When making pancakes, the ideal pancake temperature will be between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the medium heat setting on your stovetop. How to know when they are ready to flip. Your pancakes will be ready to flip once you begin to see bubbles forming. This will be about after 4 to 5 minutes of cooking. Making the best pancakes. With an electric mixer, beat the egg whites in a large bowl. Carefully fold the whipped egg yolks into the batter. Be sure to not overmix the batter, as you don't want to deflate the egg whites. Then, add butter, oil, or cooking spray right before you go to cook them. In addition, avoid adding too much butter. 1 tablespoon will be enough to make several pancakes. How to store leftovers. To store the batter, you can keep it in a bowl and tightly cover it with plastic wrap. You can also transfer the batter to an airtight container and place it in the fridge. The batter will keep for 1 to 2 days in the fridge. Once ready to make, let your batter sit at room temperature for about 15 to 30 before making them. You may notice that your pancakes made from the day-old batter may not be as fluffy. To store your leftover cooked pancakes, allow them to fully cool. Then, place them in a Ziploc bag and place a piece of parchment paper between each one. Your leftover pancakes will keep in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can also freeze your leftovers as well for up to 3 months. First, place the cooled pancakes on a baking tray, single-layered. Then, place them in the freezer for around 30 minutes to an hour, until they are frozen. Once frozen, place them in a Ziploc bag with parchment paper between each one and return them to the freezer. To reheat, warm them in the microwave for 1 minute or in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, with the pancakes wrapped in aluminum foil. If they are small enough, you can also warm them up in the toaster for 3 to 4 minutes. Tips and tricks. It is important to know what temp for pancakes is when cooking them so you don't burn them. Ideally, you want to cook your pancakes at medium heat, which is between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This will give them a golden brown exterior and a light and fluffy interior. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.